Hello, and welcome to another Byte of Tech Admin User Series with the Student Data Systems team. Have you ever needed to review or edit students' attendance records? We will be instructing you on how to review and edit students' attendance records by using the attendance chart. Let's get started. From the attendance menu, click Attendance Chart. You may search for an individual student, a list of students, or a specific grade level by clicking More Search Options. For this demonstration, I will be searching by a list of students. Once students have been entered, click Search. When the attendance chart loads, you can set different parameters for reviewing the student's attendance. To adjust the attendance chart to reflect a specific period of time, use the Report Timeframe Date text boxes to enter a date range. You can also click on the calendar icons to select the dates. You may choose whether you would like to see the attendance by day or by period. Note, the attendance chart will default to show daily attendance. You may switch to view by period by selecting the pull-down menu and selecting period. For this demonstration, I have selected to view daily attendance. Once your criteria has been set, click Update. Reminder, the daily attendance code cannot be edited because it is based on period attendance codes combined. The attendance chart will display the student's name, student ID, the student's grade level, the number of absences reported during the time frame selected, and the daily attendance code by day if daily was selected in your search criteria, or by period for each day if periods were selected in your search criteria. You may view and or edit a breakdown of the student's attendance by clicking the student's name. Here, you can review the attendance codes for each day. The code and color can also help you decipher the student's attendance, or by hovering over the attendance code for more information. When viewing the report, you can click the existing attendance code or question mark to edit the attendance code. Once an attendance code has been updated, click Save to apply the changes. To proceed to view and or edit the next student's attendance chart, click the arrow. Did you know that you can navigate from viewing information regarding a student on a specific tab to directly view the student's attendance chart? Let's show you how. To navigate from your current tab displaying information on a student, click Absences. Once the page loads, click Chart. From this view, you will still be able to view and or edit a student's attendance information as seen in this demonstration. This concludes our video on the attendance chart. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can be alerted when new content is released. Check out other content in the box on the side. Thanks for watching!